Okay, I'm Kerree.
I'm Casey.
This is our first YouTube video. It's probably gonna be a little awkward. So, yeah.
What's up?
How you doing? Okay, we don't really have a topic, so we're just gonna ramble. Is that cool with you? Anyways, it's summertime and this is kind of making my head fucking sweat. And it's hot in here. We don't have air conditioner in this room, you know. I don't know why. It's abuse. Okay,
Show him sumo.
dude. This is sumo.
See that?
Yeah. That's what it says on there?
It says I love you.
Yeah. Where'd you get this from?
James.
James Atkins. That's our boy. You know, gave her this.
You know why? We get ours.
We get ours. Okay. This floor's kind of hurting my ass.
Something else, like a prop or something.
What do you mean a prop? Oh, no, just talk. Okay, we like Destry's videos, and Nathan's, and Shane's, and Taylor Neighbor. Yeah, she only has one video, which is pretty cool. I watched her video. What's up?
We like to ponder Chris Crocker's videos also.
Yes, ponder them, sucking in the ambience.
Basking.
We watch a lot of YouTube videos. A lot of them. This is probably gonna be one of our worst and gayest, no offense, videos.
We can talk about Destry.
Huh?
We can talk about Destry.
Yeah, Destry, oh my god, I wish I could marry him. He's like amazing. I'm so sending him this video on YouTube too.
This is gonna be response.
Response to things that piss you off. What pisses me off, like at this moment right now, is if I have a sweat mustache because it's so hot in here. Woo! So, I wonder how much time we have left.
I don't know.
Anyways,
Awkward silences.
yes.
We're probably gonna end up deleting this video.
No, we're not deleting it. This video is going on YouTube.
It sucks. Looking at Kerree's coughing fit.
Marble Reds. Getting to me. Anyways, I guess this is goodbye. Goodbye. It's goodbye time. This is where the cowboy rides away. Okay, so goodbye. Any shout outs to anybody? It's hot in here in this motherfucker. Okay. Okay, deuces, 2 fingers, and I'm out.
We get ours.
We get ours.
Remember that?